Good afternoon, students. Happy lab. Okay, so we have just concluded our first lab that was due this past week on Friday night, which is the 19th. That was the graphs lab. Please make sure you are reading because there is a lab and a last lab quiz for each one. You have a lab and a quiz that are coming up for the 24th. You have a lab and a quiz that are coming up for the 28th. Those are worth 50 points, and there is an example lab report. Please do not skimp me on my work, and please do not go to ChatGPT or any AI resources and try to pretty much write your lab report in that nature, because I can tell, because these are connected to Safe Assign, and if it shows plagiarism and things are coming back to a certain percentage of it being similar to something else, then that is not going to be good. Please make sure you are doing the things that you need, meaning you have it explains everything you need. You need an introduction. That means you introduce what the lab is talking about. Next, you need to make sure you're telling what you are doing, how you are doing it, and explain it. Explain it to me like I have no clue what's being done, and make sure you just tell me about your results. I'm not asking too much more than what you are doing directly, and I'm not asking for the greatest thing in the world. I want you to do your best, but at the same time, I want you to understand that we are learning how to do these things because you're going to need to know how to follow directions and do certain labs. Just like we just did graphs, the graph lab is pretty much telling you and showing you all the different ways of using different types of graphs. We did use more so of bar graphs in that, but we also had to do correlations and comparisons dealing with circumference, diameter, area, as well as radius. So these are things that we are exemplifying and pushing out more of, getting more knowledge. Now, when it comes up on our next one, we are working with measurements. And when you're working with measurements, we're going to be covering different types of ways to measure different things. I am going to go ahead and pop a video up that kind of skims through that lab, versus how, just like you had a video for graphs lab, which explained how to do it. It's going to take you to the site and help you go through it, and that's going to be that. Then next, you're going to have a density lab. The density lab is going to go through and show you how to do it and make sure that you're doing what it's asking you to do. All you're going to do is go to the website, follow the directions, and do